All right, good morning, Math 7 students. All right, today we are covering just one Khan Academy today called Interpretive Negative Number Addition and Subtraction Expressions. Your next Khan that you have due is the quiz, so go ahead and get started on that after you're done with this one. Interpretive negative number addition and subtraction expressions. Basically, as we get going, you're going to notice they always give you a number line if you want to work with that. Know that positive numbers move to the right, negative numbers always move to the left. Okay, so 6 plus a negative 6. So let's see which ones of these work. The expression describes a number that is 6 to the left of 6 on the number line. So 6. So here's the number 6 on the number line. And would this move it to the left? Well, negative numbers move it to the left. So actually, in this case, yes, it would move it to there. We need to choose all the answers that apply. So we have to go through each one of these though. So the expression describes a number that is 6 to the right. Does this move the number to the right? A negative? No, it does not. Negatives move it to the left. The expression equals 0. Well, 6 and negative 6 do what to each other? They cancel each other, so yes, it would equal 0. So there's another answer. And then would the expression equal 12? Well, obviously, if it equals 0, it can't equal 12. So there's our first one. All right, let's do our next one now. All right, second one. Look at this one. We have a positive 6 and a negative 13. They ask it a little different. They're telling us to start at a number. Well, where are we starting here? We're starting at the positive 6, correct? So these two start at 13, so obviously A and B are wrong to start with. These two start at positive 6, which is this one. And then which direction does a negative 13 move you? And remember, I did not say minus 13. I want you to get used to saying 6, negative 13. And what direction does a negative move you? To the left. That's right. So we want the one that moves you left 13, which is letter C, right there. All right, let's do our final one. Which of the following is the correct interpretation of negative 4 and negative 7? Remember that two negatives together make a positive. A negative can mean minus, a negative can mean subtract, a negative can mean negative, or a negative can mean do the opposite. Do the opposite. So what is the opposite of negative 7? The opposite of negative 7 is to add a positive 7. So this becomes a positive 7 right here. So the number that is 4 to the left. Nope, we're looking at now, they're phrasing it, so we're looking, does this move it 4 to the left? No, this one moves it actually what? 7 to the right. So if you started here, it would move you 7 to the right. So we're looking for the one that says the number that is 7 to the right. Oop, this is to the left. That's not quite right. The number that is 7 to the right of negative 4. So letter D would be our correct answer for this one. So that is how you do those, which is interpreting negative number addition and subtraction expressions. Complete that one if you need my help, of course, during class or during my office hours. I'm happy to help you. And then when you get this one done, go ahead and take that quiz. Have a great day, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.